Hi everyone, my name is Josh Caswell from Monroe County Public Library. Today I'm going to show you how to make a care card, digitize it, and then send it to someone you love in a socially distanced way. So let's get started. Getting started here, there's no right or wrong way to make a care card. Really what you want to do is just send something to somebody that's special and meaningful to them, and just show them that you care. What you get with the care card kit is washi tape, cardstock shapes here. So you just have a variety here. There might be different shapes in your kits, and some cardstock backing. And that's what we're going to put everything on. So I've actually brought in a couple personalized items. And for the first thing that I did is a Sharpie so I can write on there. That doesn't come in the kit, but you can really use a pencil, pen, whatever you want to write on your paper if you want to write anything at all. You could create a collage or just meaningful, special pictures to you. For me, I picked these pictures of my cats. So you can see those there. And the first thing that I want to do is put my cats on the paper. And once I have them on the paper, I can decorate them. And my little boy is going to get a heart here. And they're going to get this little star flower in between them. So it's probably a good idea to write your personalized message on here. So I'm just going to say, to Amy, and I'm sending this to my wife, so her name's Amy, from Josh. And for some reason I wrote an upside down exclamation mark, but that doesn't matter. It comes from the heart. And the last thing I'm going to do is secure my pieces of stuff with my washi tape. Washi tape is pretty easy to tear, so you might need scissors. And I'm just going to put this on here. And put this one on here. But you could use glue or really anything that you would like to do. I'm just going to use the washi tape here. And it's very simple, but you know what? I think that she'll like it. It has our cats on here, photoshopped into some very interesting poses. And the final step that we want to do is digitize it. To digitize it, I actually am using an application called Google Photo Scan. And this is available for free on iOS or Apple App Store. And all you do is, once you download it, you open it up. It's going to go through a prompt telling you exactly how to use it. What you want to first do is, let me get it in frame here, take a photo. And then it's going to put these little dots on your screen. You just line them up with the dots. And I'll line this up. And what this does is just helps make sure that you're getting everything framed in, that is centered, and if you're taking a picture of like a photo or something glossy, it'll eliminate the glare on there. And once it's sent, or once it's saved, we'll just open it up, and you can see now I have this nice little digital card, and I can send this to somebody, over email, on Facebook, however you want to send it. It'll get there to them in a safe and socially distanced way. So with that, I encourage you to make better artwork than this and share a care card with somebody that you love.